So you may be wondering why I haven't uploaded after my last video. First of all, it's because I'm getting too many clients to work and I'm very busy in making sample for all the video. Then I have recorded 3 days after that, but didn't get didn't record everything, enough data to edit into a vlog, and then some of the videos are in time-lapse videos because I forgot to shut it off or turn that feature off. And yeah, that's the reason I am not uploaded. And after seeing yesterday's that I got 6 views in my last vlog, I just like fuck it and let's start again. So we are doing something like day 15, but now we are doing opposite of that. We will be counting from today's day to the day 0, which is 31st December. And so yeah, there is like 284 days of until the year ends. So I have almost 284 days to achieve 10k per month, or yeah, start earning as a business owner. So yeah, let's see. Today, right now is 8:15, and yeah, the day I was officially started. Today Sunday, so I have nothing to do that much. I will only script my reels because last time the reels are very shitty. Sample that I did was just trash. Yeah, I really don't like the visuals and SFX part. It's just pretty basic. I didn't use my brain in that edit. It feels like that. Alright, so it's around 10:13 or 10 p.m. a.m. 10 a.m. and I've taken the bath. So for the past 2 hours I just scrolling and just doing some random shit. Yeah, I am not doing anything, not open my camera, not doing anything, not open my computer, anything. I just time passing, you can say that. Now I've taken the bath. I will start my first work, which is storyboarding a reel, storyboarding a long form video for a potential client. Yeah, he's paying around 200 to 300 USD. That's alright for a 8 to 10 minutes long form video in Kalawe style. If you know that style is pretty, that style is pretty famous or pretty popular in those type of niche videos. And the topic is around like copywriting, why copywriting is important. Yeah, that's pretty much it for it till now. And after I'm doing some worshipping God, then after that I will go to my work and start working. So right now the whole day has been passed and I haven't recorded any single thing. I just sleep and procrastinated a lot, so yeah, that's why I couldn't record. And for most of the day I just scrolled and sleep, so that's why I didn't record much. And now I'm just roaming after eating my lunch. So today a course that I was planning to buy, the 50% discount is officially over on that, and I'm feeling very regret on that because I really wanted to buy that course, but I couldn't earn that much to buy the course. So that's why I'm feeling like I am feeling very sad right now because I couldn't buy that course. Because I really wanted that course in a 50% off, and I really had the opportunity to buy or to get that course, but I ditched every opportunity that I ever got to buy that course. Yeah, and now the 50% officially over. I still like, it's $500 right now. It's still, that's a lot, but I know I can do that, and I really have plans to do that. But it's just like I can buy 2 course and $500, but now I need to buy only one. Yeah, that's really messed up with me, and that's the whole thing that I've been thinking all day, and I've been procrastinating for that only.